welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie, and I'm going to show you guys what I opened. I opened a bunch of toys, but we couldn't show you because my phone wasn't really working good. I had too much videos and games.
Yeah, and I'm here too. My name is Jillian, so I'm going to be filming. So there's these scissors, phone. This is all for American Girl. If you want to get this, where do you get it at?
Walmart.
Mm-hmm.
Big Walmart, not little.
And there's this, those things where you can pop it out. Yeah. And then there's like this little heart pin, this little pin, fidget spinner that could actually be useful for you. Yeah, cute little water bottle.
Mm-hmm.
Apple Watch, some tape. This is real tape. You just have to get it all out. I'll help you with that. A ruler. I forget what these are called. What are these called?
Staples.
Yeah, staples. And a marker, but sadly that's not real. I'll put the top button.
Well, it's not real, but it is a highlighter.
Yeah. And some stickers, a notebook, and a lunchbox, and
a banana. Yeah, you already showed them maybe.
A banana and computer. So yeah.
That's all we got today. And some stickers.